If your furnace pilot igniter is clicking but there's no ignition, you gotta know how to fix it fast so you're not freezing your butt off. Okay, so here's the deal. First, check if the igniter is dirty or covered in soot, because that can stop it from sparking properly. Grab a soft cloth and gently clean it up. No harsh scrubbing though. If it's still not lighting, you might want to see if the igniter is actually getting power. Sometimes a tripped breaker or blown fuse is the sneaky culprit. Also, make sure the gas valve is open because no gas means no fire. Duh. If all that checks out and you're still stuck, it's probably time to replace the igniter itself since they wear out over time. You can usually find replacement parts online or at your local hardware store. When putting in a new igniter, be super careful not to touch the ceramic part with your fingers, that oils can mess it up. And always turn off the power and gas before you start messing with anything. Safety first, right? One of the biggest issues with a furnace pilot igniter clicking but no ignition is ignoring a dirty igniter. Cleaning it regularly fixes that easily without any hassle. Another common problem is a faulty ignitor that just won't spark anymore. Switching it out is usually the only way to get things firing again. Lastly, people often forget to check if the gas valve is actually open or if there's power going to the igniter, which wastes time and leaves you stuck. Always double check those basics first, before diving into bigger fixes. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for work and grow your business without all the annoying hassle.